please stand at the gate and turn off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please feel free to use your cell phones at this time as long as it's within reach without undoing your seatbelt to retrieve it. Exercise caution when opening the overhead compartment that is there to have a tendency to shift throughout flight. Once inside the airport, adhere to all smoking regulations, only smoking in designated areas. A uniformed customer service agent will be at the top of the jet bridge, directing you to ground transportation, as well as baggage claim and flight connection. Monitors are located throughout the concourse to assist with connection. If you're claiming luggage here in Atlanta, you may do so at the North Terminal on the blue side. On behalf of the captain of this entire Atlanta race flight crew, it's been our pleasure serving you. We recognize you do have a choice when you fly. We hope when you get your plans to call for air travel, you'll book online at airtrain.com. Have an enjoyable stay here in the Atlanta area or wherever your final destination may be.